You've got your pack, boots, your wicking layer, mid-layer, and rainproof shell. Now here's our guide to everything you need to carry inside your pack when heading into the backcountry. Make a detailed plan for your trip and leave a copy with a friend in case you get into an emergency. Make a checklist of everything you need to pack and include item weights so you can calculate what you'll be carrying. Products on MEC.ca have weights listed to make this easier. Stuff sacks or packing cubes are a great way to stay organized and make it easier to access the gear you need. Your smartphone gives you access to GPS, flashlight, and more. You may need to download any maps you'll need before you leave if you're relying on it as your primary GPS. At least one person in your group should carry a dedicated GPS unit, and a paper map and compass are always a great backup. Some packs include a whistle. If yours doesn't, then pack one along with a signal mirror so that you can communicate with your group or call for help. You can also carry a spot or inReach device, which allows you to communicate with home or send an SOS when outside of cell service. Some models feature full GPS functionality with maps. Various backcountry first aid kits are available and include things like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and tick tweezers. Choose one that comes in a waterproof bag. It's a good idea to add a foil emergency blanket and a blister kit. Carry sunblock and chapstick with UV protection and apply it often. And don't forget bug spray. If you're heading into bear country, carry bear spray in an accessible spot and know how to use it for emergencies. The best defense against bears is to let them know you're coming. Attaching a bear bell to your pack can help. You should also seal food in a bear-resistant container. If there are no provided bear-proof lockers or pull-ups at your campsite, then 10 to 15 meters of paracord will allow you to hang your food at night. Gaiters provide protection from rain, mud, snow, and ticks. Carry short or longer styles depending on the conditions and your boots. A light pair of liner gloves protect you from the elements. If you're heading out in winter, then pack insulated gloves or mittens. Trekking poles help on steep terrain, crossing creeks, and on long days as they take some weight off your legs. A headlamp is essential, both on the trail and at camp. Make sure you pack extra batteries too. A multi-tool with a knife, screwdriver, saw, bottle opener, and other tools can help with preparing kindling for a fire, minor repairs, and more. A bandana can be used as an emergency sun hat, for wiping sweat, as a bandage, or even for straining pasta. A power bank can extend the life of your phone and other electronics. Some models can be charged using a solar panel. Build a repair kit with spare parts, such as a pack buckle, duct tape, and cord. Waterproof matches or a lighter will help build a fire or light a stove. After a long day in your hiking boots, your feet will thank you for carrying comfy camp shoes like insulated slippers or Crocs. For shelter, you'll need either a lightweight tent or a bivy sack. Choose a light, packable sleeping bag and use a compression sack to minimize the footprint. Down bags are warm, light, and packable. Synthetic bags don't pack down as well, but will provide insulation when wet. An inflatable or foam sleeping pad will help you get a good night's sleep, especially on hard or rocky ground. A compressible or inflatable pillow provides greater comfort without taking up too much space in your pack. A lightweight seat can double as a knee pad and provides protection against cold or wet surfaces. A hydration bladder sits inside your pack and allows you to drink through a tube, while collapsible water bottles are light and pack down when empty. If you're not able to carry enough water for the entire trip, you'll need a water source and a method of purification. A great option is a gravity bag that you hang to filter the water into a compatible bottle. Note, a filter will remove dirt and bacteria, but you'll need a purifier or purification tabs to remove viruses. If you are going fast and light, choose a compact stove system such as a pocket rocket or Jetboil. Dehydrated meals are nutritious, light, and don't perish. You can also eat right from the bag. Be sure to pack snacks and electrolytes. Pack a collapsible mug if you want to make hot drinks, and make sure you've packed your coffee or hot chocolate too. If you're keeping things ultralight, then a simple utensil such as a spork will have you covered. You can always scale up with more utensils if you're cooking more complex meals. Carry a few reusable stash bags to store unfinished food and seal away any garbage you need to carry out. You can keep your wash kit minimal with a toothbrush, toothpaste, small bottle of multi-purpose soap, and a micro towel. And do not forget to bring toilet paper or wipes, a poop shovel, and a sealable bag to carry out those wipes or toilet paper. For longer trips, you can also bring a scrub-a-wash bag to wash any dirty clothes. You may also want to carry a Diva cup and a Shiwi. We hope that helps you pack everything you need for your next backcountry adventure. Find all of your backcountry needs on MEC.ca or come into your local MEC and speak to one of our experts.